80% of public schools in South Africa don't have science facility where learners can be able to go and learn and deepen their knowledge by performing practical science experiments. What we are doing at Sisanda Tech, we've basically developed a virtual science platforms that allows learners to be able to learn science in the most interactive way. We have utilized augmented and virtual reality to make learning to be easy and more engaged and more fun for learners to actually understand. At this point in time, we have piloted our app with 15 schools in South Africa, deploying about 250 tablets in all over the regions in South Africa. Please join us to make quality education to be accessible for every learner in South Africa.